Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft jack-o'-lantern surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So the first thing we want to do is take our paper and fold it in half like you're making a birthday card. So line up the corners, give it a nice little fold. This way when you open it up, you have a nice little card. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to fold this in half one more time. So we're just going to fold it just like this. So it's kind of like a bookmark shape. Now, when you open it up, you have these three little guidelines in here. So this kind of shows you where to keep your drawing and where not to put your drawing. Now to start off with our Minecraft jack-o'-lantern surprise fold, let's begin right here. We're going to start by making a line that's going to come up, we're going to go over, and then we're going to come down. Then we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down, we're going to come over, and then we're going to go up here. Now for the top, we're going to make the stem. I'm going to begin by making a long, skinny rectangle, and then I'll put a little bit taller rectangle at the top. Now I'm going to make the mouth of our jack-o'-lantern first. I'm going to do part of the mouth above the fold and part of it below. So I'm going to start right up here, and we're going to make just some little lines. They're just going to go over and down, and we're just going to make these all across here. So I'm going to make some that kind of go over and up and over. We'll go over and down, over and up, and then over again. We go down and over and down. And we'll bring this line right to here. Next, I'm going to jump over this. I'm going to go down. And we're just going to kind of continue. We're going to go over and down. We're going to go up and over. And we're just going to kind of do this all across here with some different little designs. And then we'll come right back up here. Now for the eyes, we're going to start the eyes up here, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come across. I'm going to go down and over, go down and over, down and over, we'll come up and over, go up, over, like this. Then over here we'll kind of do the same thing, but a little bit different. Start a line that goes down and over, down and over. We're going to come up and over, up and over. We'll come up, over to here. Go in, put a little bump, and then down. It's kind of however you want to. It's just up to you. Now, I want to make my jack-o'-lantern look a little bit more three-dimensional. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start by redrawing this line here. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. Go down, over, and down again. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to kind of redraw this shape right here. I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down to my fold, and I'm going to come down here. Then I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come down to the fold and bring it down. Now my next step is we got to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our jack-o'-lantern, and we can start drawing the inside. So in the inside of this, I want to put like a creeper skeleton in here. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to begin with the face of our creeper. So let's start by making a line that's going to come down, and then we're going to make a line that's going to come over. We'll make another line that's going to come down. And we'll make another line that just comes over to here. Now, starting right here, I'm going to make a little line across. We're going to make a little line down on each side. A little line that comes over and down. And another one's going to come over and down. We'll go over and up, and then a line across. Starting here, I'm going to make a line that comes over on each side. The line's going to come up, over, and down for like a rectangle shape. And one here, we're going to go up, over, and down. Next, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to go over and up. And then we're going to make a couple more little lines right here. Starting here, I'm going to make some little long skinny rectangle shapes. We'll do the same thing over here, just some kind of long skinny little rectangle shapes. And then right here above this part of the fold, I'm going to draw a little tall rectangle shape. And I'll do another one here, a little tall rectangle shape. And we're going to add a couple little squares on here. Make a line that goes down, over, and like this, down, down farther, and then over. And then right inside of here, I'm going to make a line that comes up, a line that comes up here, and then a little line across. And then I'm just going to write TNT right here. And we'll make a little line across the top and the bottom. Now, once we have that, we want to draw the rest of our little jack-o'-lantern on here. So we're going to start with this line, and we're going to bring it all the way down to this line here. And we're going to do the same thing here. We're going to bring this line all the way down to here. We're going to bring this one down. And then we're going to bring this one down here too. Next, we're going to continue this line down. And then we'll continue this one down too. And there you go, there is your little Minecraft surprise fold. So when you fold it up, you have your little Minecraft jack-o'-lantern, and then when you open it up, you have a little creeper skeleton right inside of here. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.